Just don't ask me any question at random. Before you ask me any question, you sit and use your brain. Think. Think. 5 times you ask the question to yourself. And you will, I'll tell you, you will get answers from all of them, most of them. If you don't get, then you come to Guru. In ancient days, Guru used to give a student just one sentence. And then tell them what? Okay, now you go and multiply 1,000 cows and then come. So for one knowledge, he has to bring 1,000 cows as donation. So he said, I give you this. Okay, take one cow, a pair of cows, go, and this knowledge along with that. You multiply this into 1,000 cows, then you come. So then the disciple, they multiply into 1,000 cows, means creative, they create that, and then they come back and again ask the question. That's how knowledge was imparted. Food is Brahman, go. Food is God, go. Now you have to bring 1,000 cow next time when you come. So the disciple would go think on it, mull on it, and he would be productive, does something solid, comes back and says, please give me the highest knowledge. Then the master said, prana is Brahman, go. Then again they go, man, make 1,000 cow again. Come back. Then you are worthy of asking the third question, third time. Then you cannot say, oh, you told me food is God, now you are telling prana is God. Third time I come, now you are telling something different, mind is God. Tell me one thing. No. You are given one knowledge, you allow it to sink inside of you. Manan kariye. You dwell on it, make it part of you. Then the next step is given. But then you will realize, okay, food is Brahman, no doubt, but there is something more than food. Food is not the end in it. Then you come and ask the same question, tell me. Not challenge the Guru. Why did you tell him that? You told food is Brahman, now you are telling something different. No. It's every vakyam of Guru for that time, for that period, there is some meaning to it. You can't question, this is not the ultimate truth, you are fooling me. No. Because the Master knows how to lead you step by step, which knowledge should be given when and how. So it gives you one step, then another step, then another step, like that. Finally he says, Anandam Brahmeti Vyajana. Bliss is God. By the time all the question disappeared. You are blissful, where is the question? You have passed the barrier of intellect. And read this intimate note to sincere seeker. I have said almost all different aspects, all primary knowledge you have been given there. Now you must ask me something advanced. Don't make me repeat all primary rhymes again and again. Baba, black sheep, have you any? We cannot remain in that level. Or twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay? So, give some work to your brain. Think of the questions. If real question comes and it is really bothering you, it should be like, without the answer, it's like without water. If that compelling it is, then you ask. That is genuine question. Then you will also take in the answer. Now every day, because I have time, you say something, I keep talking, and then you listen this way and leave that side and you go your way. It's waste of our time and the camera time also. I'm not going to entertain any more such questions. What do you say? Good, no point.